Dressage Hub fans! Whether you love me or hate me here at Dressage Hub, today is the day that I give you the gift of tech. So I know that there's a bit of a lockdown on some of the broadcast in the US with World Equestrian Games. So I'm here to show you how to watch them for free and live. Yay! You're welcome. Okay, so here we go. There's two things you're going to need. You're going to need a VPN if you don't already have one. I use ExpressVPN. If you click on the video, and in the description of the video, there's actually a link to ExpressVPN. You can get it there. There's lots of VPNs. This is just one that I've tried and I've liked. It's come recommended by a lot of other like computer nerds, tech people. So this is the one I use. You have a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you're going to have to pay the $10 or $12 or whatever it is to get started. But after WEG, you can get your money back. So no problems there. If you're on a budget, you can get your money back. I do, however, recommend that you continue on with a VPN if you ever use the internet somewhere other than your house where the network's not secured. So if you're on a Starbucks or school or anywhere else, this is something that you may want to consider keeping just for the extra security. So it's one more layer that hackers need to get through. Anyway, you're going to need an ExpressVPN, so just go ahead, click through, purchase that, get it set up. You're going to have to download it to your computer. It's super easy. If you need tech support on this, their tech support is super awesome. So go ahead and just click here, and they'll help you through any of the installation, setup process, anything that you're having issues with for those of you that are not so tech savvy. I'm not going to cover that in this video because they have awesome tech support. Now, the other thing that you're going to need is you're going to have to head on over here to Clip My Horse TV, where is the only place it is being broadcast live on the internet for free or with the trial. This is, you can go, it's the only place it's being broadcast is in Germany. So you're going to go click on Want Full Screen over here, and then you're going to choose your membership. Now, again, this has a free 30-day trial before they start billing you. So you can pick either membership. It's fine. Just know that if you don't discontinue your membership after the 30 days, you're going to be billed. So again, there's another $3.30 for a 30-day trial for you so you can watch WEG, get yourself set up this weekend, and then make sure that you cancel these afterwards. And then voila, you are in for free. You are welcome. So what happens when you have a VPN is once you're all set up over here, you're going to click on this VPN and you're going to choose a country. So I can choose a location here, and this is also how I can surf in different countries, look at different news, look at different things that are happening. So I'm going to switch to Germany over here. So as far as the internet is concerned, I'm sitting at a computer over in Germany, which thankfully in our world, Google has translate on websites. So now that we're connected on the VPN as Germany, we're going to go back over to Clip My Horse, and this isn't going to necessarily get us set up right now, but what's the big deal here is that because the events are broadcast live with Clip My Horse in Germany, now that you're watching as a German spectator, when you go to log in over here with your account and then you click on any of the events, like they'll be over here live. This is, spruce because we're still a week out from WEG. If you click on live, you should be able to watch it because your country won't be blocked out from this because you're in Germany. Hope that makes sense. So go on this weekend. That's your homework before WEG. Get started with your VPN. Get familiar on how to use it. And then if you want to go back to surfing in whatever country you are in, just make sure that you switch your VPN off or switch it back to your country, whatever you want to do. And then you are all set. So you are welcome. There's your homework for the weekend. And let's have an awesome World Equestrian Games.